ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. I hope you are doing very well. Here is another amazing and very exciting review for my viewers and for my audience. So here is wait is over now, guys, and here I have to say very attention to my community. So that's the time has now come and FWIC Beep is launching today at 9 p.m. BRT. We are on basically Solana network, guys, at on Rhythm, and you have to don't miss this opportunity. Get your wallet ready right now and join this war, and that we have to just taking off right now. So before starting their further amazing, exciting review, I would request if you are new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know that I always come with an amazing and new platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So guys, let's go and now we started. Here is the you can see a very beautiful profile of peace on my screen, and I have placed all of their official links in my video description. You can simply click and you can join, guys, right here now. And guys, I have to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So here is a welcome to FPP meme coin, guys, and this is the latest meme coin sensations that causing a buzz into crypto world, and worms be part of this movement, guys. And you have to join right now in this crypto universe right here now. And guys, this is the basically our it's provide meme utility that's power your services, products, ecosystem, and here is also we have to get access to your security analysis tools and channels for exposing like too much scams here. And we are basic guys, I have to say something more that we are on multi chains and we runs on BSC and fully integrated with Solana for all services and products. So you have to sign up right here now. And guys, here is we have to also provide you whitelist here. And as I tell you that we are on Solana network, guys, and we have whitelist to receive tokens on Binance Smart Chain. So here is you can see that our total burnings, our total holders. So this is the sweet revenge of the bees. And here you can get all of our socials like our Twitter, our Telegram, our Insta, our YouTube account. Here you can get. So now I tell you what is our main goal, what is the basic advantages of this platform. Our main mission is, guys, to build a robust ecosystem with security tools that based on advanced technologies to mitigate their risk and also inherent in the crypto assessed market. And the system will work to monitor all of the fraud that take place in real time. We have to expose the scammers and we have to support investigations, guys, against criminal organizations. And what are the basic advantages? We have to this design for the outers to the follow highest security standards guides that is adopted by major players in the financial markets and project with a totally integrated, transparent, and commitment to global crypto system community. So here I will tell you about our technomics. And guys, here as I tell you that we are on Binance Smart Chain, and that's our primary network. And here is a very low fees, very fast transaction speed. There is user friendly environment, as I tell you that. And here you can also stack here and you can get prizes in stacking. This is our official contract address which I have placed in my video description, and you can also see on my screen here. So guys, as I tell you that we are basically wormhole, that's we have to put portal bridge, and there is totally secure for you. And here you can transfer your tokens at different blockchain networks. And guys, we are safe on globally So there is no to take worry, and we have to space ID. It means profit flows that associated with the ecosystem that includes all the staff, operates, and business partners. So this is our token distributions, guys. Here you can also see that. As I tell you, we are on Binance Smart Chain, also as on Solana too, and there is a 500 million total token supply, and that is fairly distributed and it is totally transparent. Here you can also download our white paper and you can buy right now. We have to place launch buyback fee, and we have to also stack for marketing. We have placed. So guys, how it can work? You have to just go on your BC network and you have to get our smart contract address. How you can buy back your works, and how it's a fees. As I tell you, it gets just friendly rates that maintain to project balance. And here is also our vesting and unlock schedule where you have to read in our white papers and all tokens that we have managed all of by our teams, and this is schedule. So guys, you have to also join our Telegram community where you get our latest announcement news, and here is our total members where you can check out. And guys, this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, because this is here get our further updations. You can check here, and you join here. You have to invite your family and friends. We are completely launched. Today is the 21st April, and we have officially launched. And guys, you have to now join right here now. So guys, you have to join right here now. And this is our token utility, where you can check out here at Melvin AI, Bitcoin, MonXFi, monitoring networks, taking rewards, also DEO snapshots. And this is our products and also contracts you can check out. And guys, we are totally decentralized autonomous organizations, and here is our influencers that have represent this awesome platform on their channel. You can see that. And guys, I always tell you, if you have to join any platform, you have to check their roadmap because it gets all of the past future developments about platform. And as you can see that we have to firstly launch our website, then we have to go on Rhythm Solana network, then we have to do listing on the famous exchanges. After that, we have to put some integrations, and also we have to do launch of Bitcoin and all other that I have placed. So here is the all of the playlist where you can see about scam hunters, and this is the sweet revenge of these bees, guys. And I have placed all of the official links in my video description. You can join right here now. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned with us.